Morning guys! Just received a new parcel today. Let's open it. Officially alagang magic potion. Ayan. Okay, this item is not sponsored guys. I bought it. And as you may see, may thank you note sila. Slay me na. Yeah, this is the item that I've bought. And may mga somethings pa dito sa loob, guys. So, we have the receipt here. We have some papers. How to this thing kasi may mga nagbebenta rin neto na peke guys. And yeah, slimming product, important reminder. So this guys is Slay Me Na for men and women guys, and it's a beauty capsule and all natural ingredients, no harmful side effect. For radiant skin, antioxidant boost, increased energy, detoxifying, and body harmony. Okay? So, pag-take po nito is 1 capsule per day, preferably before breakfast or before the first meal, guys. Okay, so morning pa lang ngayon, so hindi naman ako nagbe-breakfast sa umaga, guys. So, yeah. This is hindi ko ma-open. Of course, guys, kapag nagtitake daw po kayo neto, based for other reviews, bawal din po mag-coffee, mag-chocolate, tea, milk tea, para hindi mag-palpitate, guys. So, okay sa akin yun kasi hindi naman ako nag-chocolate masyado. Or, nag-coffee. Kasi, humihilab talaga yung tiyan ko pag nagka-coffee ako. So, let's see, guys. The bottle is like this. Not too big, guys. And, dito po sa loob na to, it's already 30 capsule, guys. So, how do we open it? Alright. So, ganito siya sa loob. Ito yung takip. And sa loob is ganito. Okay, I'll show you the capsule. So, the capsule is like this. Small lang po siya and color green. So, we will take 1 capsule, guys. Wait lang. Kuha lang ako ng water. So, I have some water here, guys. Now, let's take 1 capsule. And don't overdose, guys. Dahil ito, guys, ay 1 capsule per day po. If ever naman po na night shift po kayo, okay, instead of before breakfast or before the first meal, pwede naman sa gabi i-take. Kung night shift po kayo, may work po kayo ng panggabi. Yan. Alright, so nakainom na tayo ng 1 capsule. Tomorrow is another capsule. And for the side effects naman po to guys, sabi naman nila wala namang hilab ng tiyan, walang pabalik-balik sa CR, and the only side effects na sinasabi nila is yung lagi kang mauuhaw guys. So, I'll be ready guys na maubos palagi ang aking tumbler. And for sure, makakailang tumbler na naman ako niyan. Kung mauuhaw talaga ako. So, yan. Slay me na.